Welcome to the best picks. The best charcoal toothpaste is probably one of the most talked about teeth whitening methods in recent years, promising a natural and effective way to achieve a brighter smile and improve overall oral hygiene. But with so many brands and varieties available, how do you choose the right one for your needs? Today, we're diving deep into the world of charcoal toothpaste, exploring its benefits, drawbacks, and helping you find the perfect fit for your smile. Number 5. Hello Epic Whitening Toothpaste. It's a revolutionary toothpaste that whitens your teeth naturally, removing surface stains for a brighter smile. See the difference with every brush. This unique formula uses activated charcoal and coconut oil to gently whiten and clean your teeth, leaving them feeling fresh and healthy. It's gentle enough for daily use, so you can brush with confidence knowing it won't harm your enamel. Brush away stains without worry. Enjoy the invigorating taste of fresh mint with every brushing. It leaves your mouth feeling clean and refreshed all day long. It's proudly vegan and Leaping Bunny certified, meaning it's not tested on animals. Make a kind choice for your smile and the planet. It's free of fluoride, SLS, parabens, artificial sweeteners, and other harsh chemicals. It's a gentle yet effective way to care for your teeth. What we like? It whitens your teeth naturally without using harsh chemicals. If you are looking for a gentle yet effective whitening toothpaste without compromising your enamel health, this is the one for you. This is perfect for those who prefer natural ingredients and a refreshing mint flavor. What people say. It has a mild, pleasant taste, not overpowering or too minty like some others, and the consistency is just right. It spreads smoothly and doesn't feel gritty at all, which I really appreciate. After a few uses, my teeth felt noticeably cleaner and even looked a bit brighter. The paste itself is deep, intriguing black, thanks to the activated charcoal that's the star of the show. But don't let the color fool you, this toothpaste gives your teeth a clean, white sheen without the harshness of fluoride. As you brush, the fresh mint flavor bursts into life, providing a zing that wakes you up almost better than your morning coffee. But it's the subtle hint of coconut oil that truly sets this toothpaste apart. It leaves a smooth, almost velvety aftertaste that keeps your mouth feeling fresh long after you've finished brushing. The standout feature of this toothpaste is its activated charcoal formulation. The addition of charcoal helps gently lift and remove surface stains, resulting in a visibly brighter smile over time. Unlike some harsh teeth whitening methods, this toothpaste doesn't compromise the health of my teeth or gums, making it a reliable choice for achieving a naturally radiant smile. The combination of fresh mint and coconut oil offers a refreshing and invigorating experience with every brush. The minty flavor leaves my mouth feeling clean and revitalized, while the coconut oil contributes to a smoother brushing sensation. Number 4. Hello Activated Charcoal Epic Teeth Whitening Kit. Get ready for a brighter, healthier smile with our new whitening kit. It includes everything you need for a sparkling clean and fresh-feeling mouth. This kit comes with two 4-ounce tubes of our amazing fluoride-free, peroxide-free toothpaste. It's gentle yet effective at removing surface stains. The activated charcoal gently polishes and cleans your teeth, leaving them whiter and your breath fresher. It's made from sustainable bamboo. It's vegan, SLS-free, gluten-free, and free of artificial sweeteners, flavors, sulfates, dyes, microbads, parabens, and gluten. It's naturally effective and gentle on your teeth and gums. The kit also includes a BPA-free toothbrush with activated charcoal bristles, designed to work perfectly with the toothpaste for optimal results. Say goodbye to plaque. This powerful combination helps to remove surface stains and keep your teeth and gums healthy. What we like? This product comes with 2 tubes of toothpaste and a toothbrush, offering great value. If you're a vegan and looking for a whitening toothpaste that's also gentle on your teeth and gums, this is an excellent choice. It's perfect for those who want a convenient and effective whitening solution. What people say. It has a mild, pleasant taste, not overpowering or too minty like some others, and the consistency is just right. It spreads smoothly and doesn't feel gritty at all, which I really appreciate. After a few uses, my teeth felt noticeably cleaner and even looked a bit brighter. The paste itself is a deep, intriguing black, thanks to the activated charcoal that's the star of the show. But don't let the color fool you, this toothpaste gives your teeth a clean, white sheen without the harshness of fluoride. As you brush, the fresh mint flavor bursts into life, providing a zing that wakes you up almost better than your morning coffee. But it's the subtle hint of coconut oil that truly sets this toothpaste apart. It leaves a smooth, almost velvety aftertaste that keeps your mouth feeling fresh long after you've finished brushing. The standout feature of this toothpaste is its activated charcoal formulation. The addition of charcoal helps gently lift and remove surface stains, resulting in a visibly brighter smile over time. The combination of fresh mint and coconut oil offers a refreshing and invigorating experience with every brush. The minty flavor leaves my mouth feeling clean and revitalized, while the coconut oil contributes to a smoother brushing sensation. Number 3. Venus Visage Charcoal Toothpaste. Get ready for a brighter, healthier smile with our dentist-approved whitening toothpaste. It's formulated to gently remove surface stains and leave your breath feeling fresh. This unique formula uses activated charcoal to lift stubborn stains from coffee, wine, and more, revealing your naturally whiter teeth. It also helps prevent plaque buildup. Unlike harsh whitening treatments, it's gentle on your enamel. It effectively whitens teeth without causing damage. Enjoy a cool, refreshing peppermint flavor that leaves your breath minty fresh. It also helps absorb bacteria for long-lasting freshness. It's free from parabens, sulfates, dyes, triclosan, gluten, dairy, and soy. For children under 7, please consult a dentist. Experience the dentist-approved whitening power that really works. It makes a great gift, and we're here to help if you have any questions. What we like? It's dentist-approved and effectively whitens your teeth while freshening your breath. If you value professional recommendations and want a product that delivers noticeable results, this is a great option. This is ideal for those who want a powerful yet gentle whitening toothpaste. What people say. The Venus Visage Activated Charcoal Toothpaste is designed to naturally whiten teeth and promote oral health. This black toothpaste harnesses the power of activated charcoal to remove stains, detoxify the mouth, and leave your teeth feeling clean and fresh. Many users report noticeable whitening results after consistent use. The activated charcoal effectively lifts stains from coffee, tea, wine, and smoking, helping to restore a brighter, whiter smile. It's been about a week already since I started using this and can already see a difference. My teeth are whiter, the minty taste is refreshing, and a little really does go a very long way. Number 2. Designs for Health PerioBiotic Toothpaste. This innovative toothpaste is fluoride-free and packed with natural ingredients to support your oral health. It's designed to gently whiten your teeth while strengthening your enamel. It uses hydroxyapatite and hydrated silica to help your teeth naturally remineralize, leading to a brighter, healthier smile. This helps restore and protect your enamel. This unique formula includes probiotics to balance your oral microbiome and purified silver to support overall oral wellness. It also contains CoQ10 for healthy gums. It's sulfate-free, using gentle coconut-based cleansers for a non-gritty, effective clean. It's perfect for sensitive teeth. Designs for Health is the #1 practitioner supplement brand recommended by functional medicine professionals. You can trust this toothpaste for superior oral care. What we like? It supports natural remineralization and features probiotics for healthy gums. If you have sensitive teeth and are looking for a toothpaste that strengthens enamel and supports oral health, this is the perfect choice. This is ideal for those who prioritize overall oral health and gum care. Number 1. AquaSonic Repair and Whiten Night Toothpaste. Get ready to experience the next level of oral care with our innovative nighttime toothpaste. It's designed to transform your smile while you sleep, leaving you with a healthier, brighter mouth. You'll receive 2 convenient 2.3-ounce tubes, individually boxed for easy storage and travel. It's the perfect way to maintain a healthy smile wherever you go. This unique formula eliminates plaque and debris, strengthens your enamel, and polishes away stains for up to 10 shades whiter teeth. Wake up to a healthier, more confident smile. It features activated charcoal to detoxify and whiten, a remineralizing complex to repair enamel, and refreshing grapefruit seed extract and peppermint for fresh breath. It's a naturally powerful formula. It's fluoride-free, peroxide-free, and free of harmful chemicals. This gentle yet effective formula is the ultimate solution for a healthy and confident smile. See the difference. It rehardens, strengthens, and whitens your teeth for a clean and confident smile. For even better results, use it with our Refresh and Protect Day toothpaste and AquaSonic ultrasonic toothbrush. What we like? It's a nighttime formula that whitens and strengthens your enamel. If you're looking for a toothpaste to use before bed that will leave your mouth feeling clean and your teeth noticeably whiter, this is the one for you. This is perfect for those who want to maximize their oral care routine. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.